Good morning, second graders. Ben Franklin Elementary School, Mr. Wisner here, with our next little short discussion on poetry. I'm hoping that all of you saw the video on limericks, the rhyming, 5-line rhyming, first, second, fifth, and third and fourth rhyming lines. Today we're going to talk about a different type of poem, and you're going to try this on your assignment for today. And these type of poems are called haikus. So the other day was limerick. Today's lesson is on haikus. H-A-I-K-U. So please make sure you look at the slides for the definitions. But a quick little summary of haiku. It's a 3-line poem. And the 3 lines have a format where the first line is 5 syllables long, second line is 7 syllables, and then the last line is 5 syllables. So we call it a 5-7-5 format. So second graders, you remember how to clap out syllables. So each line on a haiku, the first line is 5 syllables, the second line is 7, and then the third line is 5 as well. And other than that, you're pretty much free to do what you'd like with your haiku poems. But I want you to think about the 5-7-5, and then a lot of haiku poems are done with nature. So think about things you would see in nature like clouds or the sea or trees or animals, mountains, sky. So think about nature and how you could put together a 3-line poem with the 5-7-5 format. Okay. This one happens to do with a dog, a golden retriever. The first line, the love in your eyes. Second line, shows your gentle, happy soul. Third line, until the squirrel. So again, as Mr. Wisner says that, I want you to be clapping it out softly and see if it's 5-7-5. It's called golden retriever, which is a type of dog. The love in your eyes, shows your gentle, happy soul. Until the squirrel. So the golden retriever is kind of funny ending there. The golden retriever is a gentle soul of a dog until a squirrel comes and then gets pretty excited. You might even go after that squirrel. All right, 3 other ones here. And I want you to pay attention as Mr. Wisner saying it. 5-7-5. This is called beaches. 3 lines. Sand scatters the beach. Waves crash on the sandy shore. Blue water shimmers. Sand scatters the beach. Waves crash on the sandy shore. Blue water shimmers. Next one. Next haiku, 5-7-5 again. It's called a fat bee. A fat bee stings me. It hurts very badly, but I do not cry though. A fat bee stings me. It hurts very badly, but I do not cry though. Fat bee. All right. So golden retriever, beaches, fat bee. Last one I'm going to read for you is the ladybug or ladybugs. Ladybugs are red and have black spots on their wings. Experts at flying. Ladybugs are red and have black spots on their wings. Experts at flying. So as you look back at that video, see if they all have the 5-7-5 format. First line 5 syllables, second line 7 syllables, and the last line 5 syllables as well. This is what those look like: the beaches, the fat bee, and the ladybugs. So you can get a look. Again, 3-line poem, 5-7-5. Most haikus have to do with nature. And there's just an example there of 3 of them that I have there. And you can always, wizards, I should say all second graders, you can always look on the internet and find all kinds of haikus or limericks or any of these type of poems. That's what Mr. Wisner did. So to give you some idea of different poems you might like to try or the different formats you'd like to try. All right, second graders, so that's limericks and haikus. We'll see you next time when I think we're going to do an acrostic poem. which is a type of name poetry. Until then, my poetry people, until then, next time, this is Mr. Wisner saying bye, second graders.